Hi guys, it's Karina. So I am back with another video tutorial on my template 3. I realize it's been a while since I've actually made a tutorial with her. So I wanted to show you guys a quick easy flower that you can do, very simple. So she'll do something similar to this one. This one is a 3-layer, but today we're going to be making a 4-layer flower, okay? Super simple, 5 petals for each layer. So let me show you what template 3 looks like. This is what template 3 looks like. She comes with 7 petals, and you can also make a large rose with her, which I do have a video tutorial here on my YouTube channel on that. So for today, we're going to be using the first 4 petals, and you are going to need 5 petals, okay? So pretty much similar to this, we're just going to add one more layer to her. So if you want to make a 3-layer, 2-layer, 5-layer, 6-layer, just pretty much follow the same techniques, guys, as I am about to show you now. So for today, you are going to need cardstock. So I'm using Cricut. Sorry if you hear my girls in the background. I am using cardstock, 65 pound weight cardstock weight. This is Tea Party from Michaels. It's very pale right now because it's kind of cloudy outside, but it's a very beautiful light pink. So you're gonna need the cardstock, the template, scissors if you're doing well, actually no, you're gonna need scissors. I'm just saying because I personally hand cut in trays, but you're definitely gonna need scissors for this. And you're going to need a wooden dowel to curl your petals and a glue gun. So let me show you how to prep your petals. So for this one, you're going to alternate the curl for the petals. Can't speak today. So you're going to get your wooden dowel. So some of your petals, you're going to curl with one petal inward and one petal backwards. And then the other one, you're going to curl, so we're going opposite. So curl back, curl forward. Okay, do you see how they're opposite? So then you're going to get your scissors. And then we're just going to prep them, cut them in the center, get your glue gun, and glue. Just like this, okay? So you're going to do this to all your petals. So I have mine ready to go. And so here are mine, okay? So let me go ahead and grab the rest, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's get started. You want to start off with your largest petals, and we will be going around in a circle, adding a small dot of glue in the corner, alternating the petal curl. Okay, so since this petal's forward, this petal's going to go back. We're going to get the next petal that it's going forward, get the next petal that is back. And then because this is an odd number, so we're going to have our last one that's going to be similar to the next to it, and that is okay. And then glue. So your goal here is to make that circle in the center. And now we are going to get a piece of scrap paper, or just grab the same color, and you're going to cut out a circle. Does not have to be a perfect circle. I only say that because I'm horrible at cutting out circles. But you're not going to see it. Your goal here is just to cover up that center hole, just like that. So now we are on to our next petals. And now we're going to glue in between. All right, guys, so you guys want to go in between, and the same thing, we are alternating the way the petals are being, the way that we curl them. So since this one's forward, this one's backwards, so now we're going to go back to forward. And then since this one's forward, we're going to the one that's back. And then again, the last petal will repeat itself. And glue. So there's your second layer. So as you guys can tell, this is such a simple template to work with. And then repeat the same process. This one's forward, so this one will be back, forward, back. And our last one will repeat itself. Just like that. And we are on to our last petals. This time I'm only going to add a little bit of glue to the left hand side. Okay, staring at me, this is to the left, because we're going to tuck the last petal underneath here. And again, follow the same steps if you will be doing 6 layers, 5 layers. Remember, there are 7 petals with this template. So if you're going to do all the layers, just follow the same techniques as I am showing you now. Okay, we are on to that last petal of ours. Now remember how I said I wasn't going to glue all the way with this petal, because I am going to tuck this petal in. Let me show you up close. See how I tucked her in, just so there's that seamless look. Then add that glue, and voila. So now we're on to our center. Obviously you can do whichever center you want. For today, I'm going to be using the Dandelion Center from Cricut. Let me go ahead and grab that, which is this one right here. So let me go ahead and cut her out. Now, if you're wondering what size do you need, go ahead and grab yourself a ruler, measuring tape. Where is my measuring tape? Oh, here it is. Grab yourself a measuring tape or a ruler, and then measure how wide you want that center to be. So I kind of roughly wanted around 4 inches, maybe, depending on what the look you're going for. But something, you know, when I was starting doing this, like, oh my gosh, I would always guess, like, how big is that center going to be? And I would always have to like recut. And then finally one day it dawned on me, I'm like, Karina, use a ruler, measure, and see how wide you want that center to be, okay? So that way you're not wasting paper. So we're going to go around 4 inches. Let me go ahead and cut her out, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, and here she is, the center that we'll be using. Now, the gold foil is also from Michael. This is a gold foil cardstock. I believe it comes in a 25-pack. The only thing, this is a one-sided cardstock, so the other side you will not have that gold, but it's perfect for centers, for leaves. Typically, that's what I use this gold foil for. And voila, you guys, you are all done. Let me zoom out a little bit. Isn't she cute? Love it. So I hope you found that helpful. So template 3 is available in SVG, PDF, or hard copy, and you can find her at www.arielelisedesigns.com. Or if you strictly want the SVG, you can also find her on my Etsy. But if you want the other options, you can find those as well on my template website. Because remember, my template website has over 100 templates on there, you guys. My Etsy is very limited. I just haven't had the chance to transfer. Life's been chaotic. But if you want to see all my other templates, visit my template website. All right, you guys. So if you have any questions, message me at arielelisedesigns@gmail.com, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.